Hi, this is Akash Suryanshi, student of Melbourne Institute of Technology, student ID MIT174881. I'm here to discuss about the unit MN623, that is cybersecurity and analysis, for the assignment 1 comparison between the two password cracking tools. I have selected rainbow cracking tool and jhon the Ripper tool. So rainbow cracking tool is used for hash algorithms as it is time moderate, and when compared with jhon the Ripper tool is used for weak passwords and as well as used in the ethical hacking. So in further we'll just look for the rainbow cracking tool and as well as the jhon Ripper tool, and then at the conclusion we'll compare both of them and we'll see. So ciphertext or hash code is generated from many algorithms, and the famous algorithms are like MD5 and SHA algorithm. So using rainbow crack, it converts hash code to a plain text. So here we can see the rainbow cracking tool on the right side and the Kali Linux window on the left side. So after installing and opening the file location, we have to run the rcrack file in the Kali Linux, and we can see that in the video further. So as soon as we write -h, it shows us the as soon as we write -h, it is showing us this thing. So hash algorithms are implemented in this thing, and when we write artisan md5 lower alpha, well, so it's showing all the things here. So this is the code where the hash algorithm is implemented, that is md5, and the hash length and everything we can see here. So after generating the sequential starting point, we have to list the directories for the rcrack, that is rainbow cracking tool, and for generating the directories we have to do this thing, that is we have to list out the directories from the rcrack file location, that is like we have to do rainbow crack for that. And when we do the file location, we have to list all the directories. So here we can see all the directories have been listed, and the rcrack tool has been done with rtgen. So as soon as we do that, we have to go further for the hashes text file where the hashes are saved. We have to remove all these hashes, as it has to be empty, and the new hash codes will be saved in that hash file. So with the help of the echo, we have to list down the users. So here the user we can see, and we have to provide some, that is md5 sum, and it provides some key for us, and like that I have created for 3 users, and we have to copy that thing in the hash text file. So as soon as we copy them, I have done that for 3 users, that is Amin, Ali, and Farid. So as soon as I copy all of things in the hashes file, we have to restore them, like sorting all of them, and while sorting the data, it is writing all the data, and at last we have to do the rcrack thing with the following code for the hashes file, and it cracks all the things, and here we can see how much memory is allocated with the hash things and everything. So this is the thing that is rainbow cracking tool is used for, and as well as we can see the passwords for the hash keys that are denoted as hex. Thank you. And now I'll be doing the jhon the Ripper thing in the next slide. jhon the Ripper is an open source and free software for password cracking tool. So here we can see the installation of jhon the Ripper, and as soon as we type as sudo apt update, it shows us the following thing, and it may take some time for the update, and as soon as it gets updated, we have to type sudo apt snap install jhon the Ripper, and it installs jhon the Ripper for us. And as soon as it installs, it may take some time for the installing of the jhon the Ripper, because it will fetch all the things, and as well as like it will check for the password cracking tool in the back end, and as soon as the setup is done, it connects the John the Ripper for us, and we have to exit from then, and then again we have to open the Ubuntu in the Kali Linux, and as soon as we open that in the virtual box, we have to just type jhon, and it shows the password cracking tools for us. So here we can see like there are various options for jhon, that is like password files, and the password files are like single, which uses single cracking mode, word list file, and as well as the external mode or word filter, restore, which uses restore and interrupted session call name, and as well as status is equal to name, print status for a session called name. So it depends upon what kind of file it is, and it cracks the password for that files. This is the simplest mode, which is used for hacking as well, and this is used for ethical hacking. So it is used for the format fork and various kind of things. Comparison between the rainbow crack tool and John the Ripper. Rainbow crack tool is the fastest password cracking tool when compared to brute force attacks. It utilizes large scale time memory trade-off. It have algorithm to crack passwords in plain text. Time taken to password crack is more, and when compared to John the Ripper, it nearly takes around 160 seconds. And when John the Ripper is the John the Ripper is the fastest password cracking tool, but not as fast as when compared to rainbow crack. It is used for simple password cracking tool, and it can be used like to for on the weak passwords easily. It is used for ethical purpose, and this can run on Windows, Mac, Unix, and Linux. John the Ripper and the rainbow crack both are used in password cracking for analysis. Which is best does not depend on which type of attacks. It depends on which type of attacks is occurred in the web market. Today the password is important for all the data users, either they are working in your industry or for business purpose. Using password we can access databases, account detail, and everything about the industry. And when comes to a conclusion, as in the above comparison, both the tool John the Ripper and rainbow crack are best in their own ways. So it actually depends upon what kind of attack it may occur to use both of the tools efficiently. Thank you.